Okay, so for this next one, I'm gonna try using some lemon juice and squeeze them out over here. I think that's enough. And then we're gonna use our cotton ball. Just dip it in. And here is another secret message that you couldn't tell yet. And I'm just gonna gently rub the lemon juice on here. So you can see that for this one, I didn't use as much of my invisible ink mixture, so the message is not really showing that much. So make sure that you use enough mixture of your invisible ink so it will actually show. And I'm gonna tell you another way to make your invisible ink. Just very simple, only using the lemon juice. And you're gonna use the lemon juice to write your secret message on the paper. And after you're done, also let it air dry completely so that people couldn't see what you wrote. But this one you need the heat source, so you might need some fire, candles, or use your stove to do this. So it's better that you ask your parents or grown-ups to help you with that one. And because it is a little bit more dangerous, I wouldn't show you here. But this is how you can make your invisible ink. And that's it for today. Bye. And that's it for today. I'm gonna see you next. And that's it for today. My name is Miss Yvonne, and I'll see you next time. Bye.